Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the objective awareness, traffic, or conversions, because every setting follows that choice. Once done, pick target audiences and prioritize one primary KPI so you measure success cleanly. Next, assemble creatives and landing assets in required sizes and formats. This prevents delays when you build the campaign. Make sure budgets and timelines are realistic and that tracking pixels or tags are ready before you proceed to the platform build. Now you build the campaign in the ad platform. Create the campaign, name it consistently, and select display with the correct objective. Then configure budget, bid strategy, schedule, and a sensible frequency cap. These control delivery and cost. Configure placements and device targeting so ads run in relevant contexts, and set ad rotation or optimization to favor best-performing creatives. Finally, verify tracking parameters on your landing URLs. You launch with a controlled budget slice to collect early signals, then monitor daily for CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and CPA. Once you see patterns, reallocate spend to top placements and audiences, pause underperformers, and iterate creatives with /B tests. Make incremental bid and targeting adjustments rather than sweeping changes, because measured tweaks reveal causal impact. If things go wrong, first check pixels and approval status, then bids and landing experience. Fixing those usually restores performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.